Make 10 grand a month flipping sneakers. You've seen those videos and you know they're lying. So here are 5 side hustles in Canada that actually pay in 2026. The real numbers after gas, fees, and taxes, plus the CRA rule that quietly turns your hobby into a tax bill. First, you're not alone. Almost 1 in 4 Canadians runs a side hustle now, up 85% in just 3 years. The gig got crowded, so picking the right one matters more than ever. Quick honesty check. I've personally tried 3 of these, and one of them paid me less than minimum wage once I actually did the math. I'll show you which one in a second. Number 1, delivery driving. Uber Eats, Skip, DoorDash. The apps advertise 18 to 25 bucks an hour, and on a Friday dinner rush, that part is real. But after gas, insurance, and wear and tear, most drivers net more like 12 to 17. And here's the kicker. Most personal car insurance doesn't cover delivery at all. That commercial add-on runs about 30 to 50 a month. Yes, delivery was my minimum wage one. 2 months of soggy fries in my spreadsheet said $11.80 an hour. My car's suspension has never forgiven me. It works, but only if you drive peak dinner hours and track every single kilometer. Number 2, freelance writing and editing. General content typically starts around 25 to 50 an hour, and niche stuff, finance, tech, legal, can push 50 to 100. Canadian bonus, clients pay extra for people who actually understand our taxes and real estate. AI didn't kill this job. It made human editors more valuable. Number 3, tutoring. High school subjects run about 30 to 60 an hour. University level, coding or test prep can hit 80. Zero startup cost, evening friendly. Basically, the parent schedule cheat code. Number 4, reselling. Consistent flippers on Marketplace and Poshmark pull roughly $500 to $1,500 a month. But careful, if you buy things intending to resell them, the CRA calls that business income, not a hobby. Remember that, it comes back later. Number 5, virtual assistant. General admin runs about 20 to 40 an hour, more for skills like bookkeeping or social media. And if you're bilingual, English and French, you can charge a real premium. All you need is a laptop and the ability to answer email without crying. Now, the part almost every side hustle guru gets completely wrong, and it's the reason most people quit. It's not which hustle pays the most per hour. It's the math nobody puts in the thumbnail. The average side hustler puts in 8 to 12 hours a week. And from what I've seen, most people burn out and quit within about 6 months. A hustle that fits your life at 6 hours a week beats one that pays more and eats your weekends. Next, the big myth. You don't pay tax under $30,000. Wrong. Side hustle income is taxable from $1. 30 grand is just the GST, HST threshold. Cross it in a calendar year, and you also have to register and charge sales tax. 2 totally different things. The good news, expenses come off first. Business kilometers be around 70 cents each. Check the CRA's current rate. Supplies, software, a slice of your phone and internet, even a dedicated home office. Track it all. That's the difference between a hustle and volunteer work for the CRA. One more trap. Earn over about $3,500 from self-employment and you pay both halves of CPP, the employees and the employer's share. Roughly double what comes off a normal paycheck. Not a deal breaker, it's still your pension, but budget for it so April doesn't ambush you. So how do you pick? Match the hustle to your life, not the headline rate. Hate small talk? Reselling. Good with kids? Tutoring. Own a car you don't respect? Delivery. Got a marketable skill? Freelance or VA. That's where the real ceiling is. Honest verdict, none of these will make you rich, but an extra $500 to $1,000 a month, handled right, pays off a credit card or fills a TFSA. And that compounds into something real. Pick the one you can still stand doing in month 7. Now your turn. Which hustle are you running? And what's your real hourly rate after expenses? Drop it in the comments. I want the honest numbers. If that TFSA idea got your attention, my TFSA video is right here. Subscribe for more real talk Canadian money. I'm Mike. See you in the next one.